In today's rapidly evolving healthcare landscape, the security and reliability of your digital systems are more critical than ever. Every moment spent on manual TLS certificate management diverts your team's focus from delivering exceptional patient care and innovative solutions. The constant threat of expired certificates causing service outages or data breaches can jeopardize both patient trust and regulatory compliance, leaving your organization vulnerable in a highly competitive and scrutinized industry. Every day, healthcare organizations like yours navigate the complexities of protecting sensitive patient information while ensuring uninterrupted service delivery. The manual management of TLS certificates not only consumes valuable time but also exposes your systems to potential security breaches and compliance issues. What is Cert-Manager? Cert-Manager is an automated solution that streamlines TLS certificate management within Kubernetes environments, reducing the risk of errors and enhancing your organization's security posture. It's time to start on a journey towards automation and resilience, transforming how you secure your digital infrastructure. Get your free implementation guide now by clicking the link in the description. Discover how Cert-Manager can transform your organization's security seamlessly. This guide provides detailed steps and best practices tailored for healthcare leaders, ensuring a hassle-free integration. Unlock the potential of automated certificate management and safeguard your critical systems effectively. Take the first step towards a more secure and efficient future today. In the healthcare sector, safeguarding patient information is non-negotiable. Managing TLS certificates manually not only consumes valuable time but also increases the risk of human error, leading to potential security vulnerabilities and compliance breaches. Expired or misconfigured certificates can cause unexpected service disruptions, jeopardizing both data security and patient trust, and resulting in costly downtime. Moreover, the intricate process of integrating certificate management with Kubernetes environments can overwhelm your IT teams, diverting their focus from critical healthcare innovations and strategic initiatives. As your organization grows, the scalability of manual processes becomes untenable, further exacerbating operational inefficiencies and increasing the likelihood of mistakes that could compromise sensitive healthcare data. Cert-Manager offers an automated, scalable solution tailored for Kubernetes clusters, ensuring that your TLS certificates are always up to date and securely managed. By integrating Cert-Manager, your organization can streamline certificate issuance, automate renewals, and seamlessly integrate with existing Ingress controllers. Additionally, Cert-Manager supports a wide range of certificate authorities, providing flexibility to meet your specific compliance and security requirements. Its robust architecture not only enhances security by minimizing the risk of expired or misconfigured certificates, but also significantly reduces operational overhead, allowing your teams to concentrate on delivering exceptional healthcare services without the constant burden of certificate management. Furthermore, Cert-Manager's compatibility with various challenge types, such as HTTP/01 and DNS/01, ensures that domain validations are handled efficiently, catering to diverse infrastructure setups within your organization. Begin by installing Cert-Manager in your Kubernetes cluster using Helm or kubectl. Configure an issuer or cluster issuer to connect with your chosen certificate authority, such as Let's Encrypt. Next, define certificate resources for your applications, specifying the domains and associating them with the configured issuer. Finally, integrate these certificates with your Ingress controllers to secure external access. Without automating certificate management, your organization faces significant risks that extend beyond mere operational inefficiencies. Unexpected service downtimes caused by expired or misconfigured certificates can interrupt patient care, leading to diminished trust and potential loss of patients. Manual processes are inherently prone to human error, increasing the likelihood of security vulnerabilities that could result in data breaches and unauthorized access to sensitive patient information. These breaches not only compromise patient privacy but also expose your organization to severe regulatory penalties under laws like HIPAA, damaging your reputation and financial stability. Adopting Cert-Manager transforms your certificate management from a manual, error-prone task to an automated, reliable process. This ensures continuous security for patient data, enhances compliance with healthcare regulations, and maintains uninterrupted service availability. By reducing the operational burden, your IT teams can focus on strategic initiatives that drive healthcare innovation and improve patient outcomes. Additionally, automated certificate management leads to significant cost savings by minimizing downtime and reducing the need for manual interventions, allowing for more efficient allocation of resources. The increased reliability and security bolster patient trust and strengthen your organization's reputation in the healthcare industry, positioning you as a leader in providing secure and dependable healthcare services. Furthermore, the scalability of Cert-Manager ensures that as your organization grows, your certificate management processes can effortlessly keep pace, supporting a seamless expansion without compromising on security or performance. The stakes are high when it comes to managing the security and reliability of healthcare systems. Failing to implement an automated certificate management solution like Cert-Manager can lead to compromised patient data, regulatory penalties, and loss of trust. On the other hand, successfully integrating Cert-Manager not only safeguards your operations but also positions your organization as a leader in secure and efficient healthcare delivery. The choice to act ensures that your organization remains resilient, compliant, and capable of providing uninterrupted, secure care to those who depend on it. Don't let outdated certificate management practices put your healthcare organization at risk. Click the link in the description to access your free implementation guide and take the first step towards a more secure and efficient future with Cert-Manager. Secure your systems, protect your patients, and empower your teams today.